What if I said that earning $100 per day online had the potential to transform your life? Not only your balance in the bank, but your freedom, your confidence, your freedom. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this another video that all about getting money for nothing? Good question. But the difference is this isn't hype. This is concerning options, stability, and taking back control in a world that's desperate to keep you broke. You don't require a degree. You don't require experience. And you definitely don't need to dance on TikTok, unless that's your lifestyle. Stay around until the end, because I'm going to reveal to you the least discussed method that people are quietly using to earn $3,000 every month, on the side. This is your roadmap to earning your first $100 a day online, and it starts right now. The problem and the promise. Let's face it, you've probably felt the pressure. Bills stacking up, rent going up, groceries feel like luxury items, and the 9 to 5? It's becoming a 7 to 7, just to stay afloat. Here's the truth. Most people don't need to become millionaires. They just need a reliable extra $100 a day to breathe, to invest, to dream. That's $3,000 a month. Enough to change zip codes, start a business, or finally leave that soul-sucking job. And yes, it's 100% possible, even if you're starting from scratch. So let's break down 8 proven ways to earn that first $100 a day online. No fluff, no hype. Freelance services with AI help. You don't have to be a coder or a graphic designer. Using tools such as ChatGPT and Canva, you can provide the following services: writing blog content, designing social media posts, preparing resumes. Platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork are teaming with individuals doing just that, with no experience whatsoever. Do 80% of the work using AI, and invest your time refining and delivering. Invoice $25 to $100 per task. Hold up, you're saying I can get paid to create Instagram quotes on Canva during Netflix viewing? Yes. Yes, that is exactly what I am saying. And if freelancing is too client-focused, let's discuss something more passive. Affiliate marketing. Think about earning money every time someone clicks on a link and makes a purchase. That's affiliate marketing. You don't have to be an influencer. You just have to share useful products or tools, and add your special link. Example. Review your go-to-Amazon device on YouTube. Suggest a personal finance app that you use. Link to a course that you used. Commission? $5, $50, even $500. There are individuals earning $100 day off one viral TikTok or blog post. And they began with no followers. But perhaps you desire income not based on trends or platforms. Then, print on demand. Ever dreamed of owning a clothing brand without ever laying hands on inventory? Welcome to print on demand. You design things, say, funny quotes, popular memes, or personalized artwork, and share them on sites such as Redbubble, Teespring, Etsy. They print, ship, and deal with customers. You simply get paid. 10-minute designs might make money for months to come. Yes, even your Mondays suck coffee mug concept could actually sell. Now let's change gears to something extremely low effort but surprisingly effective. YouTube automation. No, you don't have to appear on camera. And yes, faceless channels are earning thousands. Consider top 10 high-end cars, calming nature clips, celebrity news summaries. You can utilize stock video, AI narrations, such as this one, and software like Pictory to create complete videos. Monetization? YouTube ads, sponsors, affiliate links. Who knew your voiceless slideshow about cats could pay for your mortgage? Next, we shift from video to value, and how to monetize knowledge. Selling digital products. Individuals will pay for solutions. Make a basic digital product such as budgeting planners, meal prep schedules, fitness trackers, ebooks. Make it once and sell it 1,000 times. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make it simple. Wake up to you made a sale emails while you sleep. And if that gets you pumped, wait until you see this next one. Online tutoring or coaching. You don't have to be a professor to instruct. If you know English, you can teach English. If you've lost weight, you can tutor others. If you know mathematics, tutor students. Harness sites such as Cambly, Preply, Weezant. Even your own site. Charge $20 to $60 per hour. If you made it through high school algebra, congrats, you're now qualified to profit from it. But perhaps you're more interested in hands-off, passive sites, selling on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Got some old trash? Well done. That's your startup money. Flip second-hand items from thrift stores or garage sales, sell them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, OfferUp. Begin with what you've got. After you get a feel for it, source cheap, flip smart. It's possible for some people to earn $100 per day in their first week just by cleaning out their home. Talk about flipping. Let's flip the script on the most underappreciated technique out there. Remote microtasks. Websites like Amazon MTurk, Clickworker, or Appen compensate you to test websites, categorize images, transcribe audio. Super low barrier. Work from your phone. Get started today. You won't get wealthy, but stack 2 to 3 of these, and you're basically making $100 per day. Who knew looking at cat pictures could finally pay off? The tipping point. Now you're not short on opportunities. You're presented with a decision. You can scroll over to the next video. Or you can choose one method, give it a shot for 30 days, and see what happens. Fear of starting? Normal, but regret of never trying? Much worse. You don't require a business degree. Just some guts, and this guide, because the individuals who are making money online, they are not more capable than you. They simply began. Call to action and inspiration. Your rich life does not begin with winning the lottery. It begins with the initial $100. Then you build from there. Reinvest. Level up. That $100 becomes $300. Then $1,000. Then freedom. Imagine waking up on a Tuesday and deciding what your day looks like. Not asking permission. Not clocking in. Not settling. That's what $100 per day really buys you. Options. Autonomy. A new reality. So here's your next step. White heavy checkmark. Pick one method from this video. White heavy checkmark. Commit to it for 30 days. White heavy checkmark. Come back and comment with your results. Because the people who take action, they're the ones who win. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe. We've only scratched the surface. Your next breakthrough? It's one click away.